Welcome to Post-Flight by Trading Wings, a series of short videos designed to educate you on the types of plays we teach in the all-new, multilingual First Flight Trading Room. The first trading room of its kind, teaching you to the penny how to enter and exit trades so you can earn your trading wings today. For more information, visit us at tradingwings.com. Hey traders, welcome to Post-Flight. Today we're going to talk about symbol BBBY. Now if you look here on the daily chart, we had BBBY on our pre-flight checklist, which is available every morning at tradingwings.com. It's completely free. We've had this symbol on there for a few days, and really we're looking for this nice gap and rally here to see a pullback. And we played it a couple times. Actually, today's only the second time we played it. We played it the other day trying to catch a short off this double top here. And yeah, we made a few pennies out of it, but we didn't really get that home run we were looking for. So we kept it on the list, kept checking in on it every couple days here, and waiting for a good setup. I even left it on our morning list to look at. And this morning we said, alright, we're going to get our day on BBBY. If you guys have noticed, the Qs, the market that we follow, has been up for, this is the 8th day. Looks like it's gonna close red today, but we saw that it was up 8 days, and we saw BBBY was a little extended here and still had some room to pay us. So first thing this morning, we always use our 2-minute charts before 10 o'clock Eastern, and we noticed that BBBY put in this little topping tail. And I started telling all the participants in the room, hey look, we're going to get a chance to short this BBBY really early in the morning. And what happened was it actually popped. It didn't give us our entry. We were waiting for it to trade under the tail, and we didn't get our entry, but right away it reversed. And we said, okay, well, let's look for our short here at 90. Well, we played our short right here under this red bar and took our entry here at 90. Now, as the trade started to work in our favor, we checked in on it every now and then, and we noticed an opportunity to add more shares with no risk. Now, one of the things that we work on a lot in the room is being able to help the newer trader take a trade and trail it. Well, we don't want to leave out all the advanced traders as well, so one of the things I always do is point out ahead of time, hey, here's an opportunity to maybe add some more shares if you're comfortable with it and you understand how to manage your risk. We spend a lot of time talking about that. We do a lot of free Wednesday seminars on how to manage your risk. And BBBY gave us an opportunity, not too far into the day, to add more shares. So we pointed it out. I personally added more shares, and a few of the other participants added shares as well. Now, some of the users said, no, I'm cool to just hang on to what I have. And we were shooting for about $56 as our target. So some of them said, okay, no, that's cool. If I can get almost $1 out of the move, I'm happy with that. So we added shares here, and the advanced players had a chance to lower their stop and keep their risk the same. And the beginning users had a chance to just lower their stop and completely eliminate the risk right here. You can see our average price was $56.90, and they were able to lower their stop just over $56.75. Well, the play continued to move in our favor, and we said, hey, let's be greedy here. Let's really just let this thing try to get down to 56. And so as it continued to drop in our favor, we noticed this extra bounce right here, and we said, hey, look, if you want to add even more shares, here's an opportunity to do that. If you're not comfortable adding more shares, then just go ahead and lower your stop once again, guaranteeing that you're going to make money on this play. Well, on our third drop, after adding a few times, we realized that we were up between 6 and 7 times what we were risking, and I said, you know what, I cannot give back any of this. I got a little excited and said, I'm going to just take off everything I have over 56.25 and walk away from the trade. I realize that it's not quite down to 56, and I'm going to take the chance that I miss a little bit here, but I'm going to walk away with my profits and be done with it. Now, why were we using $56? Come over here to your hourly chart and take a look at this area right here. After clearing all of the support above around 56.50, the next likely area that we were to stop was around $56. So that's why we were using that as our big target. Now, if you played this with us in the most conservative, basic money management way you can, you walked away with 3 times what you were risking, or $300 for every $100 that you put at risk. If you added with us on each new opportunity, not only did you reduce the risk each time you added, but you also walked away with about $650 for every $100 that you risked. So all in all, this was a very nice play today, and it was pretty quick. The morning drop did happen pretty quick. It was just before 10:30 that we took our exit. And we did actually miss out on that extra 25 cents. You could see that it did and is currently down to $56. So we did miss a little bit there. We weren't perfect on this, but all in all, 6.5 times what you were risking. I am very happy with that. It was one of many good plays that we had today in the first flight room, and we'll hope that you guys will come by and trade with us. The important thing to note here is whether you were a beginner or an advanced trader who's been doing this for a while, you had an opportunity to make money before the play happened. So many times people will point out good plays after they've happened and they'll claim to be in them. Well, in the first flight room, I talk about it before I get in. I tell you the exact price that I'm going to get in. I tell you where I'm going to get out if I'm wrong. So everybody has an opportunity to play along. That's very important. If you're trying to learn how to trade a live market, what good does it do you to review plays that have already passed? Live the emotion with us. Live the actual, I don't call it stress, but live the stress with us. When the play is setting up, hear what I'm thinking, hear what the other moderators are thinking, and trade with us as the play is happening. So all in all, a very good week here. Shortened week for us. We were actually closed on Monday. But the week ended up very nicely, and this play was one of the things that contributed to that. If you'd like to learn more about Trading Wings, visit tradingwings.com and stop by for a free 2-week trial, or you're more than welcome to come in every Wednesday at 12:30 for our free lunchtime lecture series where we change the topics every week. We take suggestions from our users, and you can see what the next topic is going to be at tradingwings.com. Enjoy your weekend. We'll talk to you next week.